In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Enpass master password. First things first, let's get started by launching the Enpass app on your desktop. It's always a good idea to regularly update your master password to ensure maximum security for your password stored in the app. Once the application is up and running, look for the Settings menu. You can typically find this option in the top menu or by clicking on an icon representing settings, often resembling a gear. Once you've located and opened the Settings menu, the next step is to navigate to the Security section. This is where you'll find various security-related options, including changing your master password, which is essential for safeguarding your digital vault. Within the Security settings, go ahead and look for the option that says Change Master Password. This is an essential component of maintaining your account's security because it's the password that protects all the other passwords stored within the app. By regularly updating this, you're taking a critical step in enhancing your data safety. Now, after you've tapped on the option to change your master password, you'll be prompted to enter your current master password. This step is crucial because it verifies your identity, ensuring only you can make such changes to your account's security settings. Type in your existing master password carefully, and then tap Continue to proceed. Once you've authenticated your current password, it's time to decide on a new one. Enter your chosen new master password, making sure it's strong and secure. It should ideally be a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, which are easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. After entering your new master password, you'll need to confirm it to ensure you didn't make any typing errors. Simply retype the new password in the confirmation box. Finally, when you've confirmed the new password, tap Done. With this final action, you have successfully changed your master password, increasing the security of your Enpass account. It's important to remember this new password since it is your key to accessing all your stored information. To recap, changing your master password regularly is a good habit, enhancing your overall digital safety. Always choose a robust password and store it somewhere safe, if needed, to prevent any future lockouts. Keeping your information secure is essential in today's world, and by following these steps, you're ensuring that your digital life remains protected. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or reach out to the Enpass support team for further assistance.